If you're a student in 2025 and you're not using AI yet, you're studying on hard mode. These tools feel like cheating, but they're 100% allowed. Let's dive into the smartest AI apps that are helping students crush their classes, write faster, and actually understand what they're learning. And hey, before we go too deep, this is Just Tech. If you like staying ahead of the curve, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's level up your study game. First up, ChatGPT 4o by OpenAI. This isn't just a chatbot anymore. It's become an all-purpose academic tool. You can ask it to explain any topic, whether it's calculus, Shakespeare, or organic chemistry, and it'll break it down at your level. You can say, "Explain this like I am 12," or "Give me a detailed answer with citations," and it adapts. It even helps write essays, generate outlines, or polish your grammar in seconds. With the new 4o model, it can now see and understand images, so you can upload a math problem or a diagram and get step-by-step help instantly. It's like having a 24/7 tutor in your pocket. Next, Notion AI. Think of this as your personal academic workspace, powered by artificial intelligence. Start by dumping in your class notes, lecture transcripts, or even voice memos. Then, let Notion AI organize and summarize everything. It turns long paragraphs into clean outlines, generates potential test questions, and even builds study guides automatically. Have 5 chapters to revise before an exam? Paste them in and ask for a quiz based on the material. Want a visual calendar of your assignments? Notion does that too. It's an academic game changer if you're juggling multiple classes. Let's talk about Tome AI. This AI presentation tool is a student's dream. Say goodbye to blank slides and last-minute design stress. Just enter a topic like climate change impact on oceans, and Tome will generate a complete, beautifully formatted presentation, including text, relevant images, and a slide structure. You can tweak the visuals and layout, but most of the heavy lifting is done instantly. It works amazingly for group projects, class speeches, or quick recaps when you need to explain a concept fast. Then there's Perplexity AI. Imagine Google, but with built-in intelligence. Instead of giving you a long list of links, Perplexity reads through the top sources and gives you a summary, complete with citations. It's excellent for research papers, definitions, and background reading. You can ask things like, "What were the main causes of World War I?" and get a concise, properly cited response in seconds. And it updates in real time, so it's also great for current events and trending topics. Need to capture every word in class? Meet Otter AI. This AI-powered transcription tool records your lectures and instantly turns them into searchable, editable text. You'll never miss a detail again. It separates speakers, timestamps everything, and even allows you to add highlights or comments. Later, you can summarize the entire transcript into key takeaways using AI, which means your revision notes practically write themselves. Use it for group discussions, seminars, or even self-recorded study sessions. For memorization and review, there's Quizlet AI. It takes traditional flashcards to the next level. You upload your textbook content, class notes, or even YouTube lectures, and Quizlet AI automatically generates flashcard decks with key terms, definitions, and questions. Then it uses spaced repetition to quiz you at the right intervals to improve retention. You can even switch to test mode, games, or audio quizzes depending on how you like to learn. It's a must-have for subjects like biology, history, or languages. Another all-in-one tool is Cactus AI, built specifically for students. Think of it as the Swiss Army knife of academic AI. It helps you generate essay drafts, solve math equations, create citations in any format, and check your grammar or originality. What makes it stand out is that it's tailored for educational use, so it understands academic standards and avoids plagiarism flags. You can also enter your own notes and get rephrased versions that sound smarter or more concise. If you want speed and structure without compromising integrity, Cactus is for you. A fun but powerful tool. Explain like I'm 5 AI. As the name suggests, it simplifies anything. Whether you're trying to understand string theory or tax brackets, this tool breaks it down in ultra-basic terms. It's great for first-time learners, younger students, or anyone who's feeling overwhelmed by technical language. You can also ask it to build up explanations step by step, going from 5-year-old level to college level. It's perfect for reviewing tough concepts the night before a test. And for multitasking mastery, there's Monica AI. This is a browser extension that works behind the scenes as you surf the web. Reading a 20-page article? Monica highlights the main points. Watching a tutorial? It transcribes it and offers a summary. Writing a paper? Monica suggests references and organizes your notes. It blends seamlessly into your browser, so it becomes part of your everyday workflow, whether you're researching, writing, or reviewing. The truth is, none of these tools replace effort, but they eliminate busy work, confusion, and wasted hours. They let you focus on learning, not struggling. Use them right, and you'll work smarter, retain more, and actually enjoy the process. This is the future of studying, and it's already here. Want more AI study hacks or tools for different subjects? Comment "study hacks" below, and we'll make it happen. If you found this helpful, drop a comment with your favorite AI tool, or one we missed. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. This is Just Tech, bringing you tomorrow's tools today. See you in the next one. Thank you for watching.